Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fill invite bar Monopoly Go. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Monopoly Go and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and tap the Friends button. This will take you to the Friends and Family screen where you can manage your social interactions within the game. On this screen, look towards the bottom and press the green Invite button. This will open up the invite bar, showing you the status of your invites and the rewards you can earn. You can invite up to 10 friends, and each invitation brings different rewards. For example, inviting friends can earn you 20 dice, 60 dice, and 100 dice. When you reach 10 friends, you'll receive 150 dice Monopoly token as a special reward. To invite friends, you have a couple of options. You can press the orange Invite button, which will generate your invite link. Copy this link and send it to your friends through any messaging app like WhatsApp or Messenger. This method allows you to directly share the invite with your contacts in a way that's convenient for both you and them. Alternatively, you can use the Facebook invite option. Tap the Facebook invite button, which will create an invite link and redirect you to Facebook Messenger. From there, you can send the link to your friends via Messenger, making it easy for them to join your game. By following these steps, you can efficiently fill your invite bar in Monopoly Go, invite friends, and earn various in-game rewards. So that's basically how to fill invite bar Monopoly Go. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.